My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama, and I believe this is journal entry number 228. I think anyway. So today I am going to be showing you how I got this makeup look, and it usually only takes me like 5 to 8 minutes to do. This time it wasn't that quick because I was talking through it all, but I wanted to show you my everyday, hurry up, gotta run out the door, get ready makeup, okay? So yeah, I'll show you what I do. It's not half as intense as what I usually do. So if you're interested in how I get ready really fast in like 5 minutes on a daily basis, then please come follow me. Let's do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna get started with my moisturizer using my Garnier Clearly Brighter moisturizer. So I'm gonna put that all over my face. And I am still in the middle of peeling, so please excuse all the peeling on my face that you see. But I love doing these TCA peels because it takes off the top layer of your skin and leaves nice, smooth, rejuvenated skin underneath. So yeah, after these TCA peels, my face feels like a baby's bum. Y'all gotta try a peel if you haven't yet. I use Platinum Skincare's TCA 13 Plus chemical peel. With that one, you usually peel a lot more. If you want something that's just as good, but peels in a more, I don't know, it peels more slowly, kind of while you're sleeping. You don't really see the peel, but it is happening. I would try the glycolic peel also from Platinum Skincare. I have a link down below, and I have a code for you down below too. So if you are interested in a peel, it's leaving my face so soft and young looking. And so this is my 7th chemical peel that I've done. I've got one more to go, and then I'm probably going to use Retin-A on a normal basis and just do a chemical peel like maybe twice a year or something like that. But this is what I feel my skin needed to get all the dead skin, 53 years of dead skin off my face before I can just do a maintenance on my skin with Retin-A from here on out. But I've got one more peel to go, and then we'll do the Retin-A on a regular basis. All right, now I am going to go in with my Porefessional Primer. Please excuse my nails. 2 of them broke right here, and I'm just too lazy to trim them all. But I will soon. So I'm putting this everywhere where I have fine lines and pores. I love how it blurs away all my imperfections. It's just like photoshopping your face. And it's very important for this look because I'm going to show you, like I said, what I do when I'm just on the go and I just want to look decent quickly. Okay, so many of y'all probably remember when I tried this Infallible Total Cover foundation. It's by L'Oreal. It's 24-hour foundation, and it was too light. So I thought, you know, I still want to use it though. I don't want to have wasted my money. So what I've been doing with it lately is just putting it in my areas where I normally would conceal. So I'm going to put it there, all the darker areas. So these are all the places where I would normally conceal, and since this is so light, this is perfect, and I'm not wasting it. So I just blend that in. Lately I haven't really been putting anything all over my face foundation wise. I just kind of been blending it down lightly, and this is what I've been doing for really fast on the go days. See how light that is? So it's almost like a concealer. Okay, so I don't really have any right here. You can see the color, how you can still see my regular skin through there. And so I don't even use concealer on days when I'm trying to hurry up. I'm just going to use a powder now. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Prime and Stay powder, and it's just a finishing powder, and I think they only have 2 shades, and I think this is the lighter shade. I'm going to take my kabuki brush and just kind of set that in. Everywhere I put the foundation, I'm going to set it in. And now with hardly nothing left on my brush, I'm just going to kind of go all over the face just to even it out. And now, I haven't even really been doing blush. I've just been using my Benefit Hoola bronzer and using that to put color in my face. I've been using this e.l.f. brush right here when I'm just in a hurry, and I just dip it into the bronzer and I just do like a really quick swipe next to my nose to contour really fast. And I put a little bit under here. And that's it. And then I put a little line across my nose just to shorten it and kind of give it more of a button nose, which I'll never ever have, but hey, that's my attempt at trying to have one. And then I'm going to use my Anastasia Resi highlighter. Right there. And we're going to use this some more here in a minute. But for now, I just want to take care of this funny looking nose right now. I just pounce it in with my e.l.f. brush. Just an e.l.f. stippling brush. So there's that. And now I am going to use my highlighter again. Just put that right here. Okay, I'm going to come back to this a little bit for my eye in a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows really fast. It's just going to be my natural look for the brows. So for my natural look, I use my BH Cosmetic Flawless Brow Trio, and I usually use the middle color right there. And I use this end of the brush. There's a angled side and there's this side. I just use the regular brush. And I'm just going to follow the natural line of my eyebrows. The natural shape, I mean. That's about it for that. Now I'm going to go back in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and that is going to be my crease color for my eyes. Just kind of dragging it down a little bit onto the next eye. Okay, next I'm going to go back in with my Anastasia Resi highlighter, and we are going to put that onto my lid. Okay, and I'm going to put some on my brow bone and on my inner tear duct area. And I'll be right back. My son just got home and I need to go tell them that I just shampooed the carpet so that they don't step on it. Be right back. Okay, I am back. So I had to go explain to them that the carpets were wet. Okay, what am I doing now? I think I am going to take this Hoola bronzer and put it on my lower lash line. Okay, so that's just a little bit. Like I said, this is a natural, everyday, go-to, really quick look. Now I am going to do something for eyeliner. I don't know what yet. What I've been doing is something really, really simple. And what I'm using is this Expert Wear by Maybelline. And let me see if I can find the color for you. It's brownish black. So I've been doing this when I just want a simple look, but it doesn't show up very much, but that's kind of the whole idea. So I've been putting this on the top lid. And then I've been putting it on the bottom lash line as well. And a little bit on the waterline. Okay? And that's pretty much all I've really been doing. You know what I should do? I should do this. Put a little bit out here, because I don't think you can really see my crease very much. And now on the other end, there's a smudger right here. I'm just going to smudge that in a little bit. So today is Tuesday. On Thursday I have an eye appointment. I'm hoping to get contacts because I cannot see anything. So I never know what my makeup really looks like. Okay, now I'm going to blend that in a little bit. So I used to have green contacts. Well, I still do actually. And they're monovision, so one is for far side and one is for near side, and it's so hard to get used to. I never got used to them, but now they have new ones where like the outer corner is for far, or the outer rim is for far side, the inner is for near side or whatever. So my husband and I are excited to try that to see if that's going to work out better for us. I got something in my eye. Hold on. Okay, so now I am going to do eyelashes, the same Kiss eyelashes that I always use. So there's one. Oh, my eye is watery. I've got something in my eye. It almost feels like I put the wrong one on the wrong eye because that looks awfully long. Looks like I switched them by accident. Oops. If I did, oops. It'll happen. Okay, so there's that one. I don't know, I think I did switch them. Oh well, it is what it is now, right? Okay, I'm gonna do my bottom lashes and then my lips and we'll be done. Usually it takes me only like between 5 and 10 minutes to do this, but because I've been talking, I'm sure it's taking me a lot longer. You know, I really need to figure out how to get on cosmetics PR list so I can get some free samples so I can try things out and share with y'all the results that I'm finding from the different makeup rather than having to buy everything myself. That would be nice. So if anyone knows how to get on beauty product PR lists, let me know down in the comments below. Alright, so the glue isn't even dry yet and I'm pretty much done, but let me do my lips now. And I'm going to be using my Jordana lip liner in the color Tawny. There's that. So close to my lip color. Look at, there's my lip liner lip, and there's my natural color. So close. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna use one of these, the ones I just did a little review on. So it's the Gorgeous Peony or Peony or whatever it is. It's by Jordana as well, and it's like a crayon. And I've been using this lately because it's just so fast. And it's so soft. It's not glossy, but it's not matte. It's kind of in between, and I love that. I'm already done and my glue's not even dry. So there is my quick, fast, hurry, gotta run out the door makeup look, and yeah. Let me know what you think. And you saw how I only put foundation around the corners and just in my problem areas. Didn't use any concealer at all because this Infallible really is nice, and it's a thick coverage and it is full coverage that it pretty much does the trick. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a darker shade and kind of contour with this, kind of bronze up my face, liquid, kind of like a liquid bronze, and then use the Hoola on top to kind of set it all in. But I might not need Shape Tape and concealer and all that. Just buy a couple shades of foundation, and when I figure out how to do that, I'll make a video about contouring with foundation. Alrighty guys, if you have any requests, leave them down below and I will get to them, I promise. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, I love you. Mwah!
Thank you for watching our Glama